In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your WooCommerce products. Whether you're backing up your store, analyzing product data, or preparing to move your catalog to another platform, exporting your products is a simple and essential skill every store owner should know. Start by opening your WooCommerce dashboard and clicking on Products. Once you're inside the All Products section, you'll see your entire product list displayed. At the top of this page, click on the Export button. This opens the export settings, where you can choose exactly what data to include. You will first see an option to select the columns you want in your export, things like product name, SKU, pricing, categories, and attributes. Select everything you need or keep it minimal if you're after specific data. Below that, you'll find advanced filter options that help you export only what you want. You can filter by category, choose whether to export published or draft items, or even limit the export to products added or updated within a specific date range. Once your selections are ready, click the Generate CSV button. WooCommerce will instantly create a CSV file based on your chosen filters and columns, and your browser will download it automatically. This file can be opened in Excel, Google Sheets, or any other spreadsheet software for editing, sharing, or analysis. And that's all you need to do to export WooCommerce products smoothly and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected for more simple WordPress and WooCommerce guides.